April 30th is the day the music died for Grooveshark. I'm Montalbano for Buzz 60. After years of fending off copyright infringement claims, the music service settled a hefty lawsuit and met its end. If you log on to Grooveshark, you'll be met with this message. We started out nearly 10 years ago with the goal of helping fans share and discover music. But despite best of intentions, we made very serious mistakes. The lawsuit was brought on in part by Universal Music Group, which counts Lady Gaga and U2 among its roster of artists. It claimed Grooveshark illegally uploaded more than 100,000 of its songs. A judge ruled Grooveshark could have to pay the record company as much as $736 million in fines. Grooveshark's apology goes on to say the settlement requires it to wipe clean all of the copyrighted material and forfeit the entire company and all of its property. Do you think Grooveshark employees heard the Jaws music as the company was getting served with the lawsuit? Or does that only happen when the shark is doing the hunting? Buzz 60. Now you know. Pass it on.